As conservatives in the U.S. Becomes very frustrated with the progress of women and very afraid of that there might be a level playing field for minorities, and have become somewhat leery that the more educated people we have, the worse it is for morality in our country. They have turned to the Supreme Court for relief. Um, if the Supreme Court has become a tool of conservatism, then we are in serious trouble. But not to fear, conservatism will not stand. Conservatism is a very mean spirited type of ideology and cannot stand. After all, it's conservatives that crucified Christ.